it's Reena from the future, y'all. What's up? I am just here to give you a little heads up that this vlog is very special to me. I have always wanted to do makeup collection. I love watching makeup collection and just vanity tours and everything about it. For the longest time, I never did it because I wasn't happy with my setup and everything. But now it's all falling in place. I'm working on it, and I wanted to take you guys on this journey. And I tried my level best to film it all aesthetically, but honestly काफ़ी mess है in the video because we were in the midst of doing the housework, right? So it's a little embarrassing how messy the house is, but just bear with me. Also, another technical glitch I'm facing right now is while transferring the footage from my phone, because I vlogged on my phone, to my laptop, the video has got corrupted. There are little interruptions here and there, so just please bear with me and please watch it till the end. That would really mean the world to me, and hope you enjoy. Hello Dream Team, welcome back to Dream Style Chaos. I'm your girlfriend Reena, and welcome to my first ever documentation sort of a process wherein basically I will be setting up my makeup with you, my vanity, doing the whole decor and trying to be aesthetic. That's not really my vibe. I am not very aesthetic. I don't seek for perfection. I'm a very last minute jugadu kind of a personality, but that's gonna change. That's gonna change. Wow, that was the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna try and fix it. I'm gonna try and be aesthetic, and I just want to take you alongside with me in this process. I think it'd be fun. So let me show you where we are at right now. I used to have a table right here. I'll insert a picture on the screen, but since that is gone now, this is how I'm keeping my makeup. I mean, it's a mess. It's a freaky mess. However, we can't do much about it because the table is not yet here and there's no place to keep that sort of makeup, so we're just gonna be it. Oh my god, my table is here and I have mixed feelings about it. I mean, this was my first time ever making a furniture, so there were some things here and there that I could have done better, or I will do better next time, but right now I'm really happy and I cannot wait to set it up. And let me show it to you. Ta-da! I know it's a little messy right now. I obviously will be setting all of this up. I actually was setting it up, like you can see. This is obviously not how I intend to keep everything, but I don't have the organizers right now. But this is a huge, I mean, it's a lot. And okay, I have to transfer everything like that as in these drawers and put them here. And then, by the way, this has got like 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have 5 drawers in 5 different sizes, so that's a yay. However, something that I will keep in mind next time is I got really too excited and मैंने ये पूरे wall का measurement लिया and वो पूरे wall का measurement वो uncle जी को दिया, which I shouldn't have done. I should have gone like a little छोटा than the wall, ताकि it wouldn't look like it's fit inside the wall, but rather it's like a piece around the wall. I don't know if that makes sense. That makes total sense in my mind. Also, something else that I would have told him next time is the drawers. I mean, yeah, they are cute and they're spacious, but I would like them next time to be a little more wider, probably, because बीच में इतनी जगह की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. But and मैं वहाँ पे गई थी, उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया था कि आप एक बार चेक कर लो, and मैं काफ़ी जोश में होश खो गई थी. I was like हाँ यही and yeah, now I'm home and I'm like okay Reena, you should have thought this through. But ठीक है, my mom and dad have not disowned me, so that's cute. And now I'm gonna set this table up and it's gonna be fun. I mean, I can't believe this is happening for real. Like, I used to store my makeup in these boxes, you guys, and the table that I showed you. Like, this used to be my eyeshadow palettes ka box, and then oops, this is how I used to store my lipsticks so that I can get them easily. So basically, I am obsessed with Colourpop lipsticks. They're matte lipsticks, they're liquid lipsticks in general at bombdaily.com, and I got all of them from Instagram stores like alag wale. And then what I did was, like, you know, I cut these boxes into 2 and then I literally stuck them with the tape, and this is how I used to keep my lipsticks for display purpose. And yeah, then I just have all sorts of Amazon and like Nykaa boxes to store my palettes and stuff. This is where I used to store my lipsticks, and this was my first ever online shopping, and I had expected it to be really bada, but it came very chotu sa, and this was my Flipkart se kharida hua first and not last but first ever shopping. Paper print was like a thing back at the time, so I remember paying like 800 bucks with this, like 600 800 something, but yeah. I will say the quality is good. Like it felt flimsy and काफ़ी बार मुझे लगा ये नहीं टिकेगा, but as you can see काफ़ी अच्छे से it did hold up. I don't know if I want to keep any of the drawers. I have 3, so this is the first one. This was the second drawer I bought for me, and then this was the latest one. This I bought I think 2 years back or like 1 year back probably. So I used to keep all of my like contours, blushes and just miscellaneous stuff here, and इसमें काफ़ी कुछ actually रह जाता था, and these were pretty pricey because मैंने अपने local store से खरीदे थे. So I had done a barter deal with my brother that if he lets me get the vanity at home, I'm gonna give him 1 drawer. Which I have to now. So मैंने 3 options उसके लिए रखे हैं. He's currently at office, so whenever he comes back, I will figure it out, and that is why there's mess. Otherwise मेरे ऐसे intentions नहीं थे. I have to get the drawer dividers and all of that, but yeah, we will get to. I mean इतने खर्चे मेरे हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मतलब हद हो गई. But yeah, anyways, let's dig in. So this is the first drawer option that I kept for my brother. The reason I've kept this one and this one is because these are like up top, right? So whatever he wants to keep, he can keep in this. This is pura khali, like a decent sister. Here I had to keep these two because ये काफ़ी poorly packaged है, so I didn't want them to spill everywhere. So yeah, that's the reason I've kept this here. Second option is this second drawer in case if he has some bulky stuff to keep. But right now I have my lipstick. Oh my god! But yeah, mostly I'm going to give him this side of the table because I'm thinking I'm going to put my mirror over here. So this section I want to be fully makeup, skincare, जो भी मेरे दिमाग में है. Currently though everything is a mess. So yeah, this is the second drawer here, and this was technically supposed to be eye stuff, but then I don't know how this has become a concealer stuff also, and I've got pencils also नीचे. मतलब this is like an OCD's nightmare right here. I'm sorry, but that's what we have going here. Then third is I have all of these blushes and yeah, primers and like just stuff around. I can't even categorize this right now. Then यहाँ पे I've pretty decently, because this is the starting point, so I've kept all my foundations and serums and just everything here. I'm so glad मेरे बड़े वाले bottles भी अच्छे से fit हो रहे हैं. Usually otherwise I have to tilt them, but अच्छे से सब कुछ fit हो रहा है. But it's not how I'm supposed to keep it. I'm going to divide it into skincare and makeup, but right now everything is here because my brother has to make the call. Then here I have all the tech stuff. This is my camera and the charger and like the dryer stuff. Yahan pe moving, sorry for the kachra. I have like miscellaneous stuff right now. Again kuch decided nahi hai, so we'll figure that out. Yahan pe I have all of my eyeshadow palettes, and I'm thinking I'll shift my highlighter palettes also yahan pe. I don't know, like I'm figuring it out. It's not supposed to be here, but yeah, that is that. And then we have this one right here, which is supposed to be highlighters, but turns out it's miscellaneous stuffs again. So definitely need those drawer dividers thingy majingy. Well, you guys, we've come to the end of part 1 of this. We have so many parts coming up where I'm going to try making DIYs, making the actual decor, making it aesthetic, organizing. So much more is coming on the way, and I am so excited to do it all with you guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. 85% of you are not subscribed. That is so unfair. Please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so that you get updated every time I'm online. I upload videos twice a week. Yes, I will be doing that, and you can also follow me on my socials. I'm very active there. I'm very proud of the content I'm creating there as well. So definitely check out my Instagram and my Snapchat. All of it is all in the description, and I will see you super soon. Until then, take care. Bye guys.